Alright, this is going to be pond, what did I call it? Pond reclamation. It is a beautiful day if you see those clouds. It's a puffer. It's maybe 80, I guess. There's the equipment, and what you see there are some roots that I finished up, the last two. That one right there in front being the one. Now there's also one of the larger ones that I pulled there, but I need to put the grapple on, which I don't have, because the grapple, you can hear the crows in the background, because I need to finish off what I'm doing here. So you see the pond. Now I'm going to drive around it so you can see kind of what I'm doing. Alright, in front of you, you see the berm for the sidewalls. You'll see some of the dark dirt there that I pulled from right, that dirt came from right there. And I'm going to continue this one out a little bit, continue this out a little farther, right? And as we come around, you'll see two sets of dirt where I've been digging. I went around the very top. You see that ridge because I had to pull out some roots, basically. Alright, okay. Edit this, Dave. Anyway, so I'm a one-man operation when it comes to this. So I've made two piles. The first pile to make the road was setting there, and I moved some of the dirt over. I have another pile right here. So you'll see I have pile there that I dug from here, and all this I'm going to try and make it concave. You take a look, you'll see a pile right there, black pile. It's dark, there's some roots still in it. I'm digging to level this out. The watermark is going to be obviously up to there, and indeed we're going to have to set a pipe there, but I'm going to try and raise that berm with the dirt I'm pulling from the pond. Alright, as a note to myself, what you see in front of us is the road I made. We discussed having two gentle slopes. One's there for the cows to come in and out of the pond, and then the other one is directly behind. It'll be right here. So this is, there may be parts that are going to be deeper, I'm not certain yet. And I decided that we want this roadway in here for, envision it all covered with water. You're not going to see it, but the animals will be able to get out on either end. This pile that you were just looking at, I'm going to come in after the rains go through and dig it out and try and make another pile. But this is in essence it. So driving around, we ended up pulling some trees out and all the roots. Driving around, you can see that that still needs work. I was pulling dirt from the other side, filling the hole. There was a hole there because of a very large tree that had grown over in the 20 years. Ben's cut down some of this, and you can see that high up. I'm going to have to use the tractor to flatten all of this out. As we come around, this is going to extend out farther. here, you should be able to see the latticing. I'm going to have to get another bucket. And there's the road when I went out there, and I'm going to hopefully slope that all out. Although if you don't have to worry about how pretty it is, because it's going to be filled with water, and I'm certain it'll be muddy, just like the other pond. So that's it, and those are the last fruits. Second to last there, the last one right there. So, all right. Still plenty of work to do. I got another roughly 7 hours on it today. I hope you enjoyed it.